The continents and oceans. What is a continent? The Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines continent as one of the great divisions of land on the globe: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, or South America. This reflects the way that English-speaking nations, China and Pakistan, teach the continents. This is the model we will use in class. And this map shows the 7 continents. The light green is North America, darker green is South America, the blue at the bottom is a very stretched Antarctica, yellow is Africa, red is Europe, orange is Asia, and the islands nearby, and then we have pink Australia on the edge, about half cut off. The 6 continents model. When talking with people from other cultures, you should understand that they may define the continents in different ways. If you're talking with someone who was educated in certain countries, they'll have a different idea about what continents are and which continents exist. Some models combine the Americas or Europe and Asia to form 6 continents. The 5-continent model combines the Americas and Europe and Asia. So you'd have the Americas, being North and South America, as one continent, and then Europe and Asia are combined into Eurasia. The 4 continents model combines Europe, Asia, and Africa into Afro-Eurasia, because you could walk from one part to another. So those are kind of one big landmass in a way, therefore they're counted as Afro-Eurasia. And then North and South America are combined into the Americas. And then you have Australia and Antarctica as the other 2 continents. Africa. Africa is a continent that was the original home of the human species. The oldest human remains found are in Africa. Africa is 3 times the size of the United States. Africa is divided into 56 countries. 14% of the world's population lives in Africa. Antarctica. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest place on Earth. Agriculture is impossible. No nation has ever existed on Antarctica. Only scientists temporarily based in research stations live there. And penguins. Lots of penguins. Asia. Asia is the largest continent. 60% of the world's population lives in Asia. The 48 nations in Asia include China and India, the 2 most populous nations. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Australia is both a continent and a nation, the only nation to occupy an entire continent. Some geographers combine Australia and the many islands of the Pacific Ocean into a region called Oceania. Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent. Only Australia is smaller. The Ural Mountains divide Asia and Europe. Europe includes 40 countries. North America. North America, as a continent, also includes the region known as Central America. That's the part south of Mexico. The United States is in North America. It is the 3rd largest continent. South America. South America is the 4th largest continent. The longest land-based mountain range, the Andes, is in South America. North and South America came together at the Isthmus of Panama, that's that tiny strip of land between the two, about 3 million years ago. Oceans. The 5 oceans commonly taught in American schools are actually one body of water known as the world ocean. For convenience, geographers divide the world ocean into the 5 oceans: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. And here we see the world ocean on a very stretched out globe. We're looking with the South Pole in the center, or near the center. And you can see how it's all connected together. You could sail from one right into the other. The Pacific Ocean is the largest of the 5 oceans. It's twice as large as the Atlantic Ocean in surface area. It covers about 1/3 of the surface of the Earth. The Pacific Ocean is larger than all the land on Earth combined. The Pacific Ocean has the greatest variety of species or biodiversity of any ocean. Of course, with the size, that's to be expected. The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is named for the Greek god Atlas, who held up the sky. The Atlantic is the second largest ocean, covering 1/5 of the Earth's surface. The Atlantic was created when the supercontinent of Pangaea broke apart. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean was formed when the southern supercontinent of Gondwana broke up 180 million years ago. The Indian Ocean is the 3rd largest ocean. The Egyptians explored the Indian Ocean as early as 2300 BC. The Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is also known as the Antarctic Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. The Antarctic Convergence is the zone where warm water meets cold water in the Southern Ocean. It is a place where phytoplankton, those are microscopic ocean plants, easily grow. And here you see the map, and it shows that the area, circular area, right around the South Pole, surrounding the continent of Antarctica, is the Southern Ocean. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean covers the North Pole. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest of the oceans. However, the Arctic Ocean is 5 times bigger than the Mediterranean Sea, which is the biggest sea. The permanent ice pack on the Arctic Ocean set in 850,000 years ago. Before that, it was liquid water and could be sailed through. Some people believe that it will return to that state because of global warming. In conclusion, continents are the major divisions of the land masses of the Earth. Different cultures define and divide the continents in different ways. No one way is right. We will learn the 7-continent model and memorize the location of each continent.